It's time to change how you think about printing, whether working out of the home office or printing for the family. With big tanks of ink, EcoTank printers make buying and replacing ink cartridges a thing of the past for the ultimate combination of value and convenience. EcoTank printers are designed to bring your focus back to what needs to get done. Plus, save up to 90% with ultra-low cost replacement ink bottles versus ink cartridges, giving you savings up to $620 per set of replacement bottles. With big tanks of ink, EcoTank delivers up to 15 times more pages than standard ink cartridges. One set of replacement bottles is equivalent to 80 individual cartridges, which means less waste and fewer trips to the store. So no more worrying about running out of ink when you need it most. Do away with out-of-ink frustration with revolutionary cartridge-free printing. Epson's EcoTank printer family provides hassle-free, affordable color prints to improve productivity for your home office, or small business. Epson. Exceed your vision.